Find or read reviews that people are talking about KURSOHEY Jump Starter with Air Inflator Camp Light. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. KURSOHEY boasting a 4000 amp peak current, this jump starter brings dead 12-volt batteries back to life effortlessly. It supports petrol engines up to 9.0 L and diesel engines up to 7.0 L, covering sedans, motorcycles, SUVs, vans, hybrids, new energy vehicles, commercial vehicles, and pickup trucks. Built to withstand extreme climates, it starts cars smoothly whether it's -4 degrees Fahrenheit in winter or 104 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Built-in air compressor. 1 tool for all road trips. Why carry extra gear? This thing comes with a handy air pump that tops off car tires, bike tubes, air mattresses, and more. Perfect for camping trips or last-minute tire checks, it's a one-stop fix for all your inflation needs when you're on the go. Camp Light with tricks. Brighten up any situation. The integrated Camp Light isn't just for night repairs or camping, it's got your back in emergencies too. Switch between bright mode for working, dim mode for ambient light, or strobe mode to signal for help. Dark nights, no problem, you'll have all the light you need. USB ports, your on-the-go power bank. Need to charge your phone, tablet, or flashlight? Just plug them into the USB ports. That 8000 mAh battery doubles as a portable charger, keeping your devices juiced up when you're camping, road tripping, or anywhere without a power outlet. 8000 mAh battery. Safe, tough, and long-lasting packing. An 8000 mAh 12-volt battery with Ultrasafe tech, this starter's got your safety covered. It shuts down automatically if there's overcharging, overdischarging, short circuits, or overheating, so you can use it worry-free. Plus, that big battery means it'll keep going through multiple starts and charges. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.